Hello everyone. Welcome to Get Well Physiotherapy. I'm Dr. Kamalika, Senior Orthopedic Physiotherapist of Get Well Physiotherapy and Foster Healthcare. Today I'm going to talk about knee pain exercise. This is part 2 for knee pain exercise. So today the exercises that I'm going to show, that is called patellofemoral pain syndrome. Usually, this kind of knee pain we see in young patients. So, patellofemoral pain syndrome typically refers to anterior knee pain or behind the kneecap. Usually, this kind of pain occurring during activities such as running. That's why it's also called runner's knee. Squatting or walking up and down stairs. So when your kneecap is not tracking properly, that means the kneecap shifts out of place as the leg bends or straighten. That time you get this kind of knee pain. Many times also this is caused by weakness in the inner thigh muscles or tightness in the outer thigh muscles or IT band. Now I will start with the exercises. The first exercise that will be straight leg rising exercise that I have already shown in my last video, in my first knee exercises video. You can check that, but I will repeat it again. So in that case, you can keep one leg bent and the other leg, which one you are doing exercise, you can pull that leg up, straight leg raise, and you can squeeze your muscles tight to lock out the knee and pull your toes towards your head to keep the whole leg straight. This will work your hip flexor muscles when you lift your leg off the ground. So you have to use it slow and in controlled movement and hold it for 10 seconds. It's okay if you lift it 50 degree or 70 degree, and you have to count 1 to 10. Now coming to the second exercise. The second exercise is mainly for the vastus medialis, that is obliquus, that is the VMO. To exercise the VMO, we need to lie down on your back. You need to lie down on your back again and perform a SLR, the same thing, that straight leg rising. But this time, turn your foot out to the side or externally rotate and hold it for 10 seconds. Count 1 to 10 and then go down. And these exercises you can do for both the legs. The third exercise will be for stretching the IT band. IT band is a muscle. It looks like a band, so it's called IT band. It's the thigh muscle only, but it's the outer thigh muscle. So to stretch that muscle, turn onto your side with the injured leg on top. In this case, suppose right leg is injured leg, or you have knee pain in your right leg and your IT band is tight in the right leg. So right leg will be on top. Pick up your leg and pull it back behind you. Then slowly drop your leg behind you and let it stretch and count 10 seconds. 1 to 10, and then bring it up and bring back. Now coming to the fourth exercise. The fourth exercise is for hip abductor muscle and adductor muscles as well. Hip adductor and abductor muscles are also at the thigh. Adductor muscles are inner thigh muscles and abductor muscles are outer thigh muscles. So lie on your side. Again, the top leg is going to stay straight and pull your toes up towards you. Keep your body in a straight line as well. Then you are going to work the bottom leg for adductor muscles. Working your hip adductor muscles, you need to lie down on your side, and then you are going to work the bottom leg. In this case, your injured leg or the leg which is having knee pain, that will be on the not on the top, on the bottom. So you are working on the bottom leg for hip adductor muscle. You can keep the leg next. You can keep the top leg next to the straight leg, and you can move the bottom leg up and down, and keep the leg straight 10 times. Now coming to the last exercises, that is the fifth exercise. Fifth exercise will be for quadriceps, that is the front thigh stretching, and hamstring, that is the back thigh stretching, and it will be standing exercise. So we have to stand. For quadriceps stretching, we need to, you can stand, you can get a chair or some table, stand next to it, hold on to the chair or table, and then hold the affected leg, bend your knee and pull backwards. You should feel the stretch at the front thigh muscle and hold it for 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. And the last exercise will be hamstring stretching exercise. For that, you need a stool, small stool or small chair. In that, you have to keep your legs straight and try to touch your toes with your hand. Bend forward and try to touch. In case you have back pain, then don't do this last exercise standing. The last exercise you have to do in lying down position. That will be the straight leg raise with a towel. That is called hamstring stretch also. So that exercise you can check in Google, other YouTube videos, that lying down hamstring stretching. Otherwise, for standing hamstring stretch, you can do it this way.
Thank you for watching my videos. If you like them, please don't forget to subscribe to Get Well Physiotherapy and click on the bell button next to the subscribe button to get the notification whenever I'm posting a video. If you have any comment or if you have any question regarding the exercises, please write in that comment section below. I will reply. Have a nice day. Bye for now. See you soon.